Hi, I'm Feargal Gleeson with Brown Harris Stevens. Today I'm in Park Slope, Brooklyn to show you my new listing, 127 Park Place, apartment number 1. Let's go check it out. Park Place is part of the historic district of Brooklyn. All of the brownstones on this block were all built in the 19th century. This particular brownstone was built in the late 1800s by a neighborhood builder named John Gordon. This really is a rare opportunity. It's a 2-bed, 2.5 bath duplex with an elevated patio, a back garden, and a fully convertible basement. Some of my favorite features of this home include the 12-foot ceilings, the beautiful crown moldings, the decorative ceiling medallions, restored marble fireplaces, the beautifully restored pocket doors which stand 9.5 feet tall, separate the living room from the dining room, and the beautiful outdoor space offers ample opportunity for dining and entertaining. Well, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this incredible opportunity here in Park Slope, Brooklyn at 127 Park Place, apartment 1, and I do hope to show you in person one day. Take care.